Buenas noches!
Welcome to Cantina El Pancho. So, kasama natin yung mga kaibigan natin dito. And we're gonna ask some questions. Kwentuhan po tayo habang kumakain. I think that is the best way to enjoy food during a conversation.
Actually, to give you an idea, this is the newest parang Mexican restaurant dito sa Pampanga. It's a Long Angeles.
Why Mexican restaurant? So ang idea ng restaurant na to is kuhanin yung attention nila since nandito tayo sa center. Kaya tinry namin mag-mix ng Filipino and Mexican cuisine. So kung mapapansin nyo later on sa mga menu natin dito, lahat ng mga ano natin is may pagka-hint ng Filipino, and yung ibang Filipino food naman natin dito may pagka-hint ng Mexican. Yan. So yun yung idea. Ang vibe natin dito is iba-iba. Yan. So sa mga regular days namin, talagang chill, parang family-friendly siya na dining place. And then pagpatak naman ng Friday and Saturday, dyan nag-iiba yan. Yan. Pagpatak ng Friday, Saturday, nagiging, kumbaga parang diner at the same time club siya. Pumupunta dito, yung mga usual namin customers dito, lalo na yung mga target market namin, is yung mga 80s, 90s. Kasi every Friday, Saturday, meron kami tinatawag na retro nights.
My name is Chef Joash James V. Marquez, and then I want to introduce our menu here in Cantina El Pancho. This is our beef birria. This is Mexican food made from pure beef. And then this is our triple cheese quesadilla made from pure cheese. And then this is our salmon ceviche, Filipino dish like kinilaw, grilled cheesy corn. Pero ang maganda po dito is nilagyan po namin siya ng pollo chicken. And then this is our governor shrimp, carne asada burrito. And then our platters, and then our signature, our pollo, chicken pollo, and then salmon steak po. Cantina signature, and then our cherry red. Ginawa namin siya na sa isang dishes, pwede mo siyang malasahan na Italian, Filipino, Mexican, iba-ibang, kung gusto namin ma-experience ng mga Pilipino na Mexican restaurant sila pumunta, malalasahan nila yung iba-ibang klase na pagkain around the world.
This is their governor's prawn or shrimp. Ayan, so surprisingly, usually mga Mexican food medyo mabigat yan. This one's really light. So if you notice guys, more on vegetables talaga siya yung mga feeling niya. And then yung meat natin, still light, seafood. So it's not beef, it's not pork. So good job. How much should I prepare? For example, magdi-date po ako dito.
One dish ranging from 300. Hindi kami aabot ng 500. Hindi kami aabot.
So isang
Meron
dish.
lang yung...
Example yung platter natin.
I mean, this is a family dish.
Full chicken.
So yung mga talagang pang-family, syempre, expected na to have it around 500 plus. Pero kung single order naman, talagang siguro for 1,000 pesos makakapag-date ka na.
I think so. 1,000 pesos. So, may ano na sila.
Drinks na rin.
May chill na sila ng bro.
So si Cantina El Pancho, we operate during Tuesday to Sunday. Every Monday close po kami. So during Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday, open po kami around 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. And then during Friday, Saturday naman, open po kami ng 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. naman. We are located in Phoenix, Marisol, Angeles, Pampanga. Ayan, napakadaling hanapin kasi along MacArthur Highway lang siya. Ayan. So if you want to experience Mexican and Filipino fusion na cuisine, come and join us and enjoy the party and enjoy our ambience. Ayan.
Alright, so to end our experience, this is our dessert. They call it Mexican patacones. So basically guys, it's a banana-based yung fruit niya.
Yes.
Parang fried yung ano natin, banana. No? Then meron tayong cream, and then inside it,
There's an ice cream on
there
it.
is an ice cream. So, napakaganda po na may ganitong lugar dito sa Angeles City. So,
Yes.
alright, so ayun guys, we're gonna enjoy our dessert. if you are interested to know more about this, again, we're gonna be including all the details that you need to contact, and hopefully you can also enjoy Cantina El Pacho.
Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and we hope to see you on our next video.
Peace out, guys. Bye.